Hey guys, welcome back to Charlie's Garage. I want to give you guys a quick tip because if you look up taking an air or a radiator out of a Dodge Avenger from 2008 to 2011, I don't know what the 13 and 14s are yet, but anyhow, if you're taking out the radiator, I want to show you an easy way to get it out because the radiators will start leaking in these cars. And to give you a heads up, you got two bolts here. I think they're 10 millimeter. You're going to take those out. By the way, you got to take your little grill thing here out. It'll have little plastic clips up here. If they break on you, don't worry about it. You can pick them up cheap at like Advance or AutoZone, and then you just pull it straight up out. It comes out real easy. But your air conditioning condenser piece here, you'll have a clip here and a clip here on your radiator, and you'll have two bolts, one there and one over here on the bottom corner. You'll have these rubbers here, but you can disconnect them, move them out of your way. I had to cut these bolts off because when I tried to take them out, they twisted on me, so I just cut the heads of them off. Used a grinder like that, cut them off. And then you'll have a clip here and a clip here on this side, and then you just lift up on this and it'll pop loose from the radiator. If you're replacing the radiator, it won't hurt to just break them plastic clips so you can get it loose from your radiator. Now you'll have a bolt here and you'll have a bolt here with a hex head. When you take them ones out, this will let your radiator slide forward. So you want to take them out first after you loosened everything up so you slide it off to get your fan off. I haven't disconnected the fan. I just lifted it straight up, laid it on the motor. And then once you get them loose, and you'll have a bolt here on this side. It'll be a 10 millimeter. You'll have to use a wrench to get that loose. But after you get that loose, you take this off and lift it out. I can't lift it out because I'm holding the camera. I'm doing this by a phone, but it'll come straight up out of there. You just have to work it loose. And these here's on your radiator, on the corner tops. Save them because you'll need it for the new radiator. Now, when you get your new radiator, it'll come with new steel clips that you'll clip down here where these bolts go, and you'll replace that. You'll be fine. Don't worry about the transmission lines because it runs into this part here. Which this part here will just stay in. It's for your air conditioner and your transmission cooler. But then you'll lift it straight out, put it right back in the same way. So just give you heads up and listen to me. Do not use air tools on these. You'll probably see a video where a guy's using air tools on them bolts. Don't use that. That's stupid. You're going to break it because it's plastic. And don't use battery power. Just do it the old-fashioned way with a ratchet. And when you tighten these up, just snug them. Don't over-tighten them because you'll break your plastic pieces on your radiator. So just remember that. And just put it back the same way. You don't have to take the nose off the car. Now, here's another thing. You got to take this, your hood latch bracket off. And you'll have these little pieces here. Now, they'll go up like this, but you can pull them down. They'll squeak a little bit. Just where it's tightened up on the bottom, but you'll be fine. And see how that squeaks? It'll squeak like that, and then when you're done, you just pull it back up. Hook it back up when you're done. But let's just give you a quick tip on how to get them out. Don't freak out. It just takes time, but it seems like these cars, when they get close to 140 to 150,000 miles, the radiator starts leaking on it, and the radiator leaked on this on the bottom driver's side for no apparent reason, but it's just the loveliness of these cars. But good luck out there and stay safe. Subscribe, and just remember, if you're frustrated and you're doing this and it's not working your way, take you a 5-10 minute break, calm down, come back here. Don't keep going at it because you could end up messing something up. It's going to cost you a lot of money. So just remember, take your time And you can do this and save yourself some money, but it comes out easy. Like I said, I could pull it straight up out of here, but I need 2 hands. But you guys stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.